Wait, let me confess something. It's not always design that makes you look average in the office. It is your fabric. You can have the best tailor, the cleanest cuts, the most expensive shoes, but if your fabric is wrong, you still look unfinished. Today, we are going to talk about the fabric corporate women sleep on. Crepe. If you work 8 to 5, if you attend meetings, if you sit in boardrooms, if you want to look powerful without shouting, you need crepe. Here are very important reasons why you need crepe. Crepe holds the body structure without being stiff. You look polished, not robotic. It drapes beautifully, meaning your outfit flows. It doesn't fight you. It doesn't cling. No unnecessary outlining. It hides minor tummy lines. Yes, we said it. It instantly makes you look very premium. Wide leg trousers in crepe, executive. Pencil skirts in crepe, authority. It survives long office hours without looking tired. Crepe doesn't wrinkle easily. It doesn't shine under office lightning, so it's not giving that cheap glow. It handles the AC room perfectly. Crepe looks expensive in neutral colors. It looks powerful in bold colors. It supports modest cuts beautifully. Crepe, when tailored well, does not overexpose. It transitions from office to dinner effortlessly. It photographs well for official shoots. It elevates simple designs. Crepe makes monochrome outfits look elite. It pairs perfectly with silk or chiffon blouses. It doesn't lose shape after sitting all day. Crepe forgives small tailoring imperfections. Crepe flatters structured shoulders. Crepe gives dresses a clean coatis. It doesn't make you look intentional. It commands respect even without trying. Crepe whispers luxury. It doesn't scream it. Crepe works for suits, dresses, skirts, trousers, and what have you. It is timeless, not trend dependent. And most importantly, crepe makes you look like you came to lead, not to blend in. If you're a corporate woman and you don't own at least 2 crepe pieces, this is a sign. Stop blaming your tailor. Start checking your fabric, because fabric choice is silent power. And the women who understand that, they move differently. If you want me to break down the best crepe types for Nigerian weather, just comment crepe masterclass. Yes, drop it on the comment section. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and step into the rooms like you own it. Thanks a lot for watching this video. I remain Queen the Creative. Bye for now.